A card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is neither an ace nor a king nor the color red. Now we all know that there are 4 aces in a pack of playing cards and there are 4 kings as well. And 26 red cards if we have to just consider the red cards that we need to eliminate. So, but we should not be considering the 4 aces, the 4 kings, and the 26 red cards. But when it comes to red cards, just to avoid double counting, out of the 26 red cards, there are 2 red aces and 2 red kings, which are already considered when we talked about 4 aces and the 4 kings. So, if we have to effectively find out the net red cards that we also need to eliminate, then it's going to be 22. That is 26 minus the 2 red aces and the 2 red kings. So 22 red cards. So cards not to be considered is the 4 aces, the 4 kings, and the 22 red cards, which is 30 cards. And the cards to be considered is going to be the total cards, which is 52, minus the 30 cards, which we have to not consider. So the total cards to be considered is 22. Hence, the desired probability that the card drawn is neither an ace nor a king nor the color red is 22 by 52. This is the answer to this question. And so if we look at it, it's actually quite a simple problem to solve. It's just that we need to completely visualize what is being asked and what we need to eliminate. So once we have the elimination part very clear, I think problem solving is going to be very easy for us. And most of the probability questions for the 10th grade is going to be in this form only, where we need to find out what we need and we need to eliminate what we don't need. And then we can arrive at the final answer. Alright, I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want me to post a few more videos, or if you want me to post or create a video on a specific problem statement, please do post them in the comment section so that I can consider that as my next video tutorial. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so that you get an immediate update whenever I post new videos on most of these problem statements. Well, that's it for me in this video. Let's catch up in the next video tutorial. Thank you very much. Bye.